Hi everyone, it's Simone Ammons here with episode 3 of Q&A with QuneUp. Today's question is, what are the components of a good SOP? SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedure. When it comes to SOPs in the biopharmaceutical manufacturing industry, less is more. Here's what an SOP is not. An SOP is not the place to give the background on product development. That should go in the process description or other process transfer documentation. Another thing, an SOP is not the place to do a deep dive into the intricacies of the process. That should go into training manuals and other on the job aids. Another thing, an SOP is not the place to describe how a piece of equipment works. That should go in the equipment manual or other maintenance record. An SOP is also not the place to document the quantities of components used during preparation. That should go into the electronic manufacturing batch record or eMBR. Instead, an SOP is a document that instructs the user on how to execute a group of related tasks with laser sharp precision and focus. The name of the game? Short and sweet. Put yourself in the shoes of the production worker on the floor at 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock. What sort of document would you like to be reading at 2 o'clock in the morning? That should guide every word, every sentence, every paragraph that you write as you develop the SOP. As a matter of fact, leave the paragraphs out. Next week, we're going to take a closer look at the key sections that you need for an SOP. Thank you.